Something is wrong at Apple Park. For decades, Apple has been the luxury brand, the premium choice. But then, they did something nobody saw coming. They released a MacBook for $599. They called it the MacBook Neo. On the surface, it looks like the deal of the century. A sleek, aluminum Mac for the price of a mid-range iPad. But if you think Apple suddenly grew a heart and decided to give you a bargain for the sake of your wallet, you're missing the bigger picture. There is a reason this laptop exists, and it's not what you think. Today, we are stripping away the marketing fluff. We are going deeper than the spec sheet. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We're going to talk about why the MacBook Neo is the most dangerous product Apple has ever released, not for their competitors, but for you. If you are even thinking about buying a laptop in 2026, you need to hear this. Because by the end of this video, you'll realize that $500 price tag might actually be the most expensive mistake you ever make. Look at this machine. It's beautiful. It's thin. It's got those classic Apple curves. When you hold it, it feels like $1,000 computer. And that's the first part of the trap. Apple knows that in the United States, the entry-level market is dominated by plastic Windows laptops and Chromebooks. They've hated that for years. They want the student in the back of the lecture hall to have a glowing Apple logo, not a silver Dell. So they built the Neo. But look closer. Under the hood, this isn't a Mac in the traditional sense. It's an iPhone in a laptop's body. It's running the A18 Pro chip. Now, don't get me wrong, the A18 Pro is a beast in a phone. But putting it in a 13-inch laptop? That's a move that changes everything. Think about the psychology here. You're at the Apple Store or scrolling through Amazon. You see the MacBook Air for $1,100. Then you see the MacBook Neo for nearly half that. Your brain does a quick calculation. It's still a Mac, you tell yourself. It runs macOS Tahoe. It has a liquid Retina display. Why would I pay double? And that is exactly what Apple wants you to think. But what they aren't telling you in the keynote, what they buried in the fine print, is the ceiling. Every computer has a ceiling. A point where it can't go any further. With the Neo, that ceiling isn't just low, it's reinforced with steel. Let's talk about the memory. 8 gigabytes. In 2026. Let that sink in. We are living in the era of local AI. Apple Intelligence is baked into every corner of macOS. Every time you write an email, every time you search for a photo, every time you use Siri, your RAM is screaming for mercy. By giving you 8 gigabytes of unified memory on a mobile-class chip, Apple is ensuring one thing: obsolescence. This isn't a laptop built to last you 10 years like the old MacBook Pros. This is a subscription laptop. You buy it cheap now, and in 2 years, when the software updates get heavier and the AI models get larger, your bargain starts to lag. You'll be back in that Apple Store sooner than you think. Is it a deal? Or is it a down payment on your next upgrade? And what about the screen? 500 nits. It sounds bright until you take it to a coffee shop. It's got sRGB color, not the P3 wide color gamut found on the Air or the Pro. If you're a photographer or a designer, this screen is